So hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you the basics of Hec-Ras hydraulic model software for flood modeling. So now let's get started. So what is a hydraulic model? So a hydraulic model is a computational tool that simulates the flow characteristics within water, sewer or stormwater system. So it represents how the water moves through the system using a mathematical equations. So the hydraulic modeling helps the engineers, researchers analyze the system performance across various locations and time frames, enabling the prediction of system behavior under multiple real-world scenarios such as a heavy rainfall, drought, or infrastructure changes. So the types of hydraulic models by dimensionality. So the hydraulic models are classified based on how they represent the direction and the complexity of the flow. For example, one-dimensional model, the flows assumed to be occur only along the main direction of the channel, and both the river channels and floodplains are treated as having a flow in a single direction. So as represented in this figure, the 1D model, and followed by the second one, that is 1D and 2D hybrid models. So the channel flow is modeled in 1D while the floodplain is simulated in 2D. And so this 1D and 2D hybrid model combines the efficiency of 1D modeling with the spatial details of 2D modeling for an areas prone to overbank flooding. So the 1D and 2D hybrid models are represented in this figure here. So next is 2D models, that is two-dimensional models that simulates the flow in both direction. That is, it simulates the flow in both the downstream, that is X, and the lateral direction. So used when the surface flow spread and the direction changes are imported in both the channels and floodplain. So the 2D model here, which is represented in this figure here, and the next model is the 3D, is a three-dimensional model. So represents the flow movement in all three directions, the length, width, and the depth. And it is suitable for analyzing the complex vertical flow patterns, turbulence, and energy exchange in both channels and floodplain. And the 3D models is represented in this figure here. So the next is understanding the 1D, 2D, and 3D hydraulic models. So 1D hydraulic model. So it simulates how the water depth and flow characteristics changes only along the downstream direction, that is x-axis, in one direction, and assumes the flow is uniform across each cross sections, and the depth and velocities are averaged across the width of the channel. And next is the 2D hydraulic modeling. So the 2D hydraulic model captures a variation in water depth and flow in both downstream and across the stream directions, that is both in X and Y, and it uses a grid or a mesh system to simulate the depth, averaged velocity, and hydraulic behavior over the surface area. And this 2D hydraulic model is ideal for floodplain analysis and urban surface flow modeling. And the third is the 3D hydraulic modeling. So this type of computational fluid dynamic approach. So this 3D hydraulic model is a type of computational fluid dynamic approach. So it simulates the flow dynamic in all three spatial directions, that is in X, Y, and the Z. So X represents the length, and Y represents the width, and Z represents the depth. And this model complex, this 3D hydraulic model, which involves a model complex interactions such as the vertical velocity gradient, turbulence, and stratification using a structured or an unstructured mesh. And the common application of this hydraulic models. So the 1D model, that is one-dimensional hydraulic model, is best suited for steady or unsteady flow in linear river system, and flow occurs predominantly in a single direction with the minimal flow divergence or branching. And it is ideal for channels with a uniform geometry and limited lateral flow interactions. And the second is a 2D hydraulic model, that is two-dimensional hydraulic model. So it is designed for a shallow and wide floodplain with the surface water spreading in multiple directions. And this 2D model is effective in areas with braided streams or overbank flow or a split flow path. and it captures the horizontal variation in velocity, especially near sandbars, meanders, and islands. And last is a 3D model, that is three-dimensional hydraulic model. So it is applied to a complex hydraulic environment where the vertical flow changes are significant. And it is suitable for modeling the flow pattern around the structures such as a bridge and piers and or weirs, and actually represents the depth dependent velocity, the turbulence, and 3D energy exchange. And these are the four applications for the 3D, 2D, and 1D hydraulic models. And what makes the 2D hydraulic model in Hec-Ras unique? So the advanced cell structure and terrain representation. So unlike the most 2D hydraulic model that relies on the basic triangular or square elements to define the land surface, the Hec-Ras 2D modeling uses a flexible and multi-sided computational cells up to 8 side per cells, and this allows for more geometric flexibility and better alignment with the real world features like leaves, channels, and embankments. And second is the realistic elevation volume relationships. So each cell in Hec-Ras doesn't just represent a single elevation value, instead it incorporates a detailed elevation to volume and area relationship, which captures a true terrain variability beneath the cell. So this means the floodwater movement is simulated more accurately, and especially over the complex or uneven terrain. And the last is the hydraulic details along the cell faces. So the boundary between the cells called cell faces are treated like a mini hydraulic cross section. So the Hec-Ras processes these into a detailed relationships such as an elevation versus the wetted perimeter, and cross-sectional flow area, Manning's roughness value. So this enables the Hec-Ras to simulate the flow between the cells with the precision, taking into account channel geometry, obstructions, and land cover. And the system requirement for running the Hec-Ras 2D hydraulic model software. So to ensure the smooth performance, especially for a 2D hydraulic modeling, so your computer setup should meet the following criteria. Starting with the processor, it includes Intel-based PC or a compatible system, or Intel i5 or higher is recommended, and especially for 2D simulation. A multi-core processor are ideal for handling complex calculations efficiently, and storage is minimum of 1 GB of free hard disk space, and recommended is 10 GB or more, especially for the larger projects and terrain dataset. And a memory at least of 8 GB of RAM for Windows 7, 8, and 10, and 16 GB or more is recommended for an optimal performance during the simulations. And operating system only compatible with the 64-bit Windows and Windows 7, 8, 8.1, and 10 versions. So ensures OS is fully updated with the latest Microsoft patches before installation. So in our next video, I will show you how to download and install the Hec-Ras 2D hydraulic model software. So in this video, I have shown you the basics of Hec-Ras 2D hydraulic model software for flood modeling. So thanks for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel and give us a like.